Captain Sparrow! Leap, jump! There they are on the island. Oh. Yeah, there's a dead goose up here. What in the world? Did it freeze to death? Okay then. Hi babies, good morning. What happened to your goose friend? Huh? Come here. Get in there, lunatic. Crap. The neighbor's cat is here, and I didn't bring my sucker soaker down. Oh, I wonder if that goose's partner, and what happened to that one? What happened to your friend? What happened to your friend? You hungry? I'll leave if you want to come up and eat. Bye-bye, duckies. Have a good day.